Coffee as the world-famous coffee beverage. Coffee beverages are known to be the next famous drink to water. It is undoubtedly the most consumed beverage in the world. A cup of delicious coffee has a long story about it. The goodness started from the planting of the coffee plant and continued all the way to yielding fine quality coffee beans. It does not end there. Immediately upon harvest, the good quality beans have to be dried properly and evenly. The next critical phase is the roasting process, followed by the grinding. At the end of these processes, you can now brew that long-awaited cup of heavenly coffee. But wait, that story is only about the plain, old-fashioned black coffee. The flavored coffee beverage tells a whole different story. A good cup of it is worth all the effort. Such efforts of the coffee selling market have produced a big share in the industry and the economy. Coffee beverage has considerable importance in our own lives. In the aspect of health, it keeps us awake when we need to. Moderate amounts will keep us on the go, increasing blood flow, and keeping weight at low level. It has stimulating effects that keeps us alert, and coffee beverage even has anti-cancer properties. Our social lives are also greatly stimulated by beverages. Friendship and business deals take place mostly in the presence of coffee that is shared in the table. This effect of coffee was dated back to the 16th century. Coffee has a large influence to people from all walks of life. Whatever place a person has in society, they will definitely enjoy the coffee beverage. It only differs from the quality that they can afford, but it is coffee all the same. People young and old enjoy drinking coffee more so today with the many improvements, flavors and makes. So if you have not tasted it yet, go grab that cup that will change your impression of the coffee beverage.